In this video, I will show you how to control your Skyworth Smart TV even without your remote control. So if you misplace your remote control or for some reasons your Skyworth Smart TV remote control is not working, this video will show you how to fully control any Skyworth TV without the remote control. Over here I have the Skyworth Google TV, but this should also work for your Skyworth Android TV as well. Now I'll be taking you through the best two methods that you can use to control your Skyworth Smart TV. And for the first method, basically you want to head over to the bottom of your Skyworth Smart TV over here, just below the Skyworth logo on the TV, and you're going to find a menu button or power button just at the bottom of the TV, and then you just want to tap on it once, and once you tap on it you're going to get this menu over here on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now obviously this menu cannot do everything on the TV, but you can actually do a lot with this. For instance, you can go ahead and increase the volume of your Skyworth Smart TV by just tapping on the button once, and once you get to the volume up or volume down button, you just want to go ahead and long press on it, and automatically the volume of your Skyworth Smart TV will start increasing. To reduce the volume, go over to the volume down option and then just go ahead and long press on it, and the volume will automatically reduce as well. You can also go ahead and change the input source of your Skyworth Smart TV as well, and then even turn off and turn off the TV without your remote control. Now obviously this particular method has some limitations because you can't do a whole lot of things like navigating through all of the menus on the TV, and this brings us to the second method to still control the Skyworth Smart TV without the remote control. For this method, you want to come over to your phone and then go ahead and make sure that both your phone and your Skyworth Smart TV, whether it's the Skyworth Android or Google TV, are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once your phone and your Skyworth Smart TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi, you want to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, then make sure you download this Google Home app over here on your Skyworth Smart TV. Just go over to the App Store and search for Google Home, then download this app on your phone. Whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, you should be able to get this app on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. Once you get it, you want to go ahead and open it up just like so, and then just set it up with your email. Once the app is properly set up, you just want to go over to the devices tab at the bottom of the app, and from here you should be able to see all of the devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Over here you can literally see the name of my Skyworth Smart TV, which is actually this SWTV. Now go ahead and select the name of your TV, and from here you should see the open remote option over here. Go ahead and click on it. Now you want to go ahead and enter the same code that is displayed on your TV inside of this input field. So I'll go ahead and enter mine and then click on the pair button over here. Now this will give you a virtual remote control that you can now use to fully control your Skyworth Smart TV even without the remote control. As you can see, I can now control my Skyworth Smart TV, navigate through apps, do whatever I want to do on the TV even without my actual remote control. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.